Yeah, welcome to this YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button, share this video, drop your comments, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. Okay, so that is very, very important to support this channel growth and to be able to give you more and more videos on make money online, marketing, and digital marketing, graphic design, and so much more using your mobile phone. Okay, so what are we going to be talking about today, and what is this tutorial going to be about? It's a very, very short one, and we're going to be speaking, and I'm going to be showing you how to recover a blocked Facebook account, that is a disabled Facebook account, how to open a disabled Facebook account, because probably you might be getting a kind of message like this on your screen. Are you get what I'm saying? Your account has been disabled. For more information, or if you think your account was disabled by mistake, please visit the help center. So I don't want you to panic. You can panic, but don't panic. Don't over panic. You get what I'm saying now? So what are you going to do at this stage? I'm going to teach you two methods right now. Okay. So the first one you need to do, are you get what I'm saying now? The first one you need to do is close this stuff. If you have another Facebook account, or your friends has a Facebook account, and you get what I'm saying now, this is what you're actually going to do. Okay, so your friend we have, or you can log into another Facebook account with another profile, or your friend can just log into Facebook account or with your other profile. Once you do that, click this side, and you get what I'm saying now, click this side. Okay, so once you click this side, go down in the Facebook app and click on help and support. Once you click on help and support, click on help center. Once you click on help center, please, I want you to focus on my clicking navigation button effect. You're going to see the white effect on your screen. Okay, so please make your eyes glued to this stuff and listen to me very effectively. So once you do that, just click this search button here. Okay, how can we help you? Just click the search button and type in my personal Facebook account, okay, is disabled. Okay, you are going to see it here even before you type finish, but now you are going to click on that search icon. You can click on this place, or you can click on this blue stuff here in the keypad. Are you get what I'm saying now? So let's click on this place. Okay, so we've actually gotten it. My personal Facebook account is disabled. Click on it. Once you click on it, then you are going to read it. How do I know if my Facebook account has been disabled? If your account has been disabled, you will see a message saying your account is disabled when you try to log in. If you don't see a disabled message when you try to log in, you might be having a different login problem, bro. Blah blah blah. You and I know that if you have been seeing this kind of message on your account, that means it's disabled. So don't need to read all those kind of things. So go down, scroll down, then you are going to see something. What can I do if my account has been disabled? Then you are going to see, if you think your account has been disabled by mistake, please use this form to request a review. Okay, so like this, once you click on it, okay, if you click on it like this, do you understand now? The request stuff will be opened, but due to the fact of this, my own phone, and like my own, what would I call it, application. Are you get what I'm saying now? It's not updated yet. Are you get what I'm saying? So the thing is bringing content off, and because Facebook app used to fail sometimes. So just go back. Okay, you are not alone. If you are able to submit your form, then they will ask for your email, your name, according to how it is on the account, your email, and you will be asked to upload your ID. But next, if you can't do that, then this is the next step, generally for everyone. You might not even use this step, just use that step I'm doing. I get what I'm saying. You could just click this copy button here. You see this copy button, this place. I'm just trying, I don't want to click on it. Just click on it. You're going to see copied on the screen. And you get what I'm saying now? That is, you've copied the link of this place. And just go down here, go to open your Chrome browser. Once you open your Chrome browser, then paste the link in your address bar. Okay, so once you paste the link in your address bar, are you get what I'm saying, then you are just going to hit go. So once you hit go like that, are you get what I'm saying now, you're going to get to the actual um you are going to get to the actual Facebook, that same page we just left. And you get what I'm saying, on the app. Then you just go down, then click on use this form to request a review. Okay, then you're going to see the form. Okay, what you could just do is type in login email or phone number that you've added to that account, input it correctly, your full mail, your full name as it's listed on the account, input it here, then your ID. Do you understand? That is your government ID. So whichever you have, maybe your international passport, your national ID card, driver's license, anyone, just snap it in a JPEGs. You can see it here, your ID. Snap it in a JPEG format, then choose file, upload it, and submit it, and you'll be able to click on send here. Just click on send and you will send the form to them. So by so doing, you'll be able to wait for their response, and they can email you and contact you through your phone or something like that. So that is actually how to do it. Okay, so that is very very simple. And more so, if you don't want to go through those stress of going into the app or something like that, just go to Google, just type in my personal Facebook account was, you know you can see it disabled. Then click on search. Once you search it, you're going to go down. Okay, don't click on this website. Look for this is the website. You're going to look for a website that says https://www.facebook.com. That is the actual link. So once you click on it, okay, once you click on it, open with Chrome. Once you click on Chrome, then you are going to result in that same page, and you'll be able to click this form. Okay, use this form to request a review, and request a review on your disabled Facebook account. So thank you very much. If you have not watched the last video we've uploaded, how to make money on WhatsApp, how to grow your business with Google Ads on phone, how to use Google Adverts on your phone, how to create Facebook and Instagram ads on your phone, different videos like that, please scroll through this channel videos, check all the previous videos we've uploaded, and you are actually going to enjoy it. So thank you very much, and I love you all. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bless you.